If you are wondering if there is a pre-installed screen protector on Google Pixel 11, then let's take a look. So usually in order to spot the screen protector, we just have to take a look at the display, and sometimes we can take a look at the front camera if you are not sure. Simply because if there is a screen protector, you can definitely see something like a circle around the front camera. Usually the front camera is not protected with the screen protector. There is usually the cutout for the front camera. And in this case, we can see that clearly the display is not protected with a screen protector. So unfortunately, Google Pixel 11 does not come with a pre-installed screen protector, which means that if you want to have that additional layer of protection on your Google Pixel 11, then you actually need to purchase it separately and apply it either by yourself or with some help. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.